Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Take Profit Trader to Tradovate. Make sure you have active accounts for Take Profit Trader and Tradovate, either live or demo. Then verify your login credentials and access to the API if applicable. Both accounts must be fully verified to enable integration. Now open the Take Profit Trader desktop or web app. Here, go to Settings and then Integrations or Broker Connections. Next, select Add Broker or Connect Broker. After that, choose Tradovate from the broker list. You will be prompted to enter your API key or login credentials, including login ID, password, and server if required. Make sure you are using your trading password and not read-only or investor password. Then, Take Profit Trader may direct you to the Tradovate login for authorization. Now grant permissions to allow Take Profit Trader to manage your trades and confirm the connection. You should see a confirmation like connected to Tradovate successfully. Next, configure your trading settings. Here, set default take profit and stop loss rules, adjust lot sizes, risk percentages, or trailing stops, and enable notifications if supported. After that, test your settings on a demo account first to avoid mistakes. Now open a demo or small live positions and check that Take Profit Trader executes order correctly on Tradovate. Then monitor order execution, stop loss, and take profit triggers. Your connection is successfully when all automated or advanced orders execute as configured. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.